Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben!
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you one that we hinted at a couple of weeks ago, which was the 1/10 cave lion.
Yes, and it was surprisingly popular. A few views on that video.
Surprisingly, it was well priced, it's a good design.
Okay.
What's surprising about it?
I'll take back the surprisingly. I think being a new series, I wasn't sure how it was going to go, but it was quite well received.
I think it's great. Great price on them. Anyway, I'll stop banging on about that because we've got the 1/10. We've got very few in stock, which is why I wasn't able to grab a full box there. But they've now sent us, finally, the 1 ounce in the gold and the 1 ounce in the silver. I reckon we start with the gold first, eh?
I reckon. It'll be interesting to see. I don't think these ones come in a similar kind of package, but I'll wait and see because I actually haven't seen.
We're about to find out. Alrighty, finally got through all of that, and inside here we have a bag.
It's past the parcel, Michael.
Unbelievable.
Oh, well, we can't complain that they aren't arriving safely.
Yes.
They are in some in a similar kind of card. Very cool to see.
So now you have to have the matching.
Simply must, Mike.
Well, this is my problem. I was like, oh, I'll have that. And then it's, oh, no, now I've got to buy that. Now I've got to buy that. Alrighty. Actually,
proportionally, I really like how that looks on the card.
That is stunning. Ah, that is very cool. So beautiful design in and of itself. I love, as I quite often, I get caught up in the detail in the background there. I'm really looking forward to seeing it on the silver because I actually think it'll pop better on the silver. But we'll have a look. You've got the hills in the background, or the cliff face in the background with the trees on top, and then these kind of ferny looking things in the background here. And I love the way they've almost half mooned it to put the writing in on the other side there. So that looks fantastic. And then over the page, you've got the detail written on there. I love the way they've done the live one on the back and the fossil on the front and the fossil on the back. I think that's very, very cool. So that's the 1 ounce in gold to go with the 1/10 in gold. So we can match both budgets. And then we have the one, as always, they come with the silver, comes with the certificate of authenticity. But inside we have the 1 ounce silver. And again,
what do you reckon?
I don't know. I actually don't know. I think I like the background better in the silver, but I like the foreground better in the gold.
Let's do a comparison next to each other.
That's terrible. It means I'm going to have to buy both. I'm going to be broke this month, possibly for the rest of the year at this rate. Yeah, so you've got the background actually pops slightly more in the silver because of the contrast between the matte finish and the shiny finish on the front or on the animal. But the animal itself, I think, actually pops slightly more in the gold. I don't know. I dare say.
I think, like you said, Mike, I think the only solution is to get them, one of each.
Definitely. And again, I'm assuming, yes, they did. They replicated the skull on the background of that one, or the back of the coin. So, look, a great design. We've talked about the design before with the release of the 1/10, which we actually did separately. We did promise that we'd release the 1 ounce when they arrived. They have now arrived. They're now in stock. Grab them while you can.
Very cool. Isn't a whole lot of 1 ounce gold coins available at the moment, so a lot of the staples haven't kind of started flowing back through yet. So yeah, really cool to see some 1 ounce gold start to pop through. Yeah. Thank you very much, Michael. We'll see you in the next one.
See you soon.